Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make yellowtail fish. First, let's talk about selecting the best fish. Look for yellowtail with clear, bright eyes and firm, shiny flesh. Once you have your fish, pat it completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a nice sear. Finally, season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, carefully place your seasoned yellowtail fillets in the pan. Sear for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until golden brown. The key is to cook it until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect doneness. To truly elevate your yellowtail, a few simple additions make a big difference. After cooking, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the flavor beautifully. Garnish with some freshly chopped herbs, such as parsley or cilantro, for a pop of color and aroma. Serve your delicious yellowtail immediately with your favorite side dishes for a complete meal. Here are a few final tips for yellowtail success. When cooking multiple pieces, avoid overcrowding the pan to ensure an even sear. Overcooking can make the fish dry, so keep an eye on that internal temperature. Yellowtail is a delicate fish, so gentle handling is best. Enjoy this delicious, healthy, and easy-to-prepare meal with your friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.